My name is Sean Anderson. I have a 6-year-old and he is just started kindergarten this year. Huge transition, and Hands-On has been a great resource for us. I think in many aspects it allowed him the opportunity to just explore for fun, whether it's learning numbers, of course color, shapes. It's just reinforcing things that he already knows. Being able to explore counting when he's up at the registers, and how many of these do we have, and using literally like hands-on experiences to enforce what he already knows, as well as to continue to develop a lot of those skills. Just thank you, and things that you'll hear in the videos or from parents and see in the children's eyes. I mean, it's really appreciated to have that extra boost or not have one more thing to think about. It has been such a great asset for us as a family, and connecting with the community and continuing learning and having fun.
We're the place where learning comes into play.